Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emily Freybler. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I get my messy bun. I wear this in a bunch of different videos. I wear it multiple times a week, probably like 3 times a week. It's really simple and easy, but people have asked me, how to do it. So I thought I would make a quick and easy video for you guys if you have been curious about how to make a messy bun. So let's get started. Alright, first off, I'm so sorry about my voice. I know it's like nasally and just not fun, but it is allergy season, so I think it might be allergies, but I don't really have allergies, so it's either a cold from being run down over Memorial Day weekend, or it's, allergies, because allergies have been really bad this season. So just wanted to get that out of the way. So this is my messy bun. I've had this in for a while now, and I'm going to take it out to show you guys how I do it kind of step by step. So the first thing I think you need is to have dirty hair, because if your hair is too clean, then it's not gonna hold as well, and it's just gonna kind of slip and slide out of the ponytail. So just make sure you kind of have more dirty hair. And the first thing that I feel like is super necessary is this kind of hair tie. So these are I don't even know what these are called, but the scrunchy ones kind of things. This has really helped my messy bun because I can wear this and not have to use bobby pins very often or anything. So if your hair is freshly clean, I would recommend putting some kind of grit to it. You could use dry shampoo. This is the Batiste dry shampoo, and then I also just picked this one up. I've never used it, so I don't know how it is, but this is a texturizing spray. This is from Mark Anthony. This is their Grow Long line, which I really love their shampoo and conditioner from this line. I just talked about it in my hair care video. So if you want to use dry shampoo, I'm just going to kind of show you what I do. I kind of just spray it in the roots and, make it all messy. You also want volume at your roots, so dry shampoo will give that to you so that your bun isn't super glued to your head and then you have no volume. So then if you really want to, you could use texturizing spray just to, again, get that volume so your bun looks nice and big on the top of your head. So I'm going to just spray some of this. So just to get it more textured. This is another tip too. Do not brush your hair before you do this. If you sleep on your hair or something like that. I never brush my hair before I do this. I just kind of comb it through with my fingers just at the roots here to make sure I don't have any weird bumps. And then I lean back like this and take my hair like I'm gonna go into a ponytail, and then I lift once more. I lift up at the back like this and bring it all up to the top of my head. So I would say this is about where I put my ponytail. It's pretty high. So make sure it's nice and high on your head. And then all I do is, so I have it in my left hand, and then I take this area and twist. I start twisting at the base, and then I start wrapping it around as well and keep twisting. And then once I get to the end, I tuck it under the bun and pull it out the back. So you have your bun like this. And then I take my hair tie and I put it around a few times. And then I take it and I start separating. So I pull and separate the bun. And then if I have pieces like this that are falling out, I'll just take those and I tuck it into the back of the head. And then if something's sticking out like this, again, same thing. I just take it and tuck it in. And then just kind of keep separating and doing it until I think it looks good. So here I can tell it looks pretty flat right here. So what I like to do is take my hair and just pull it out a little bit and push it up. So just gonna pull it out. Again, you just kind of pull out places to where it sits good on your head. And I kind of like having more volume, like I said before. Have it kind of pulled out and looser feeling. And then if you want to make it a little bit more interesting, you could take out some pieces around your face to kind of frame your face. Just looks nice and girly. I curl these sometimes or straighten them, but sometimes I just kind of leave it so it's messy again. I don't usually put any bobbing pins or anything in my bun because I feel like these hair ties just keep it nice and secure for me. But if you want to put bobbing pins in it to make it look more like, I don't know, even a little bit more piecey or just to help secure it, you totally can. I love doing my bun like this with these hair ties because they don't pull on my hair at all. I can wear this on the top of my head pretty much all day long and I don't get a headache, which is crazy because I have really thick hair. And I know my hair isn't as long as it used to be, but these hair ties have literally changed the way I do my hair. I seriously cut off my really long hair because it was hurting when I wore buns on top of my head and I would wear them all the time. So this is how I get my bun. Like I said, it's super straightforward, super easy. You're good to go. You have a cute, messy bun for the summertime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel down below. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Fridays in the morning, so please subscribe. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a video very, very soon. Bye, guys.